The font is the most important visual element of your quote. It operates like a visual hook. This is why motivation channels tend to use strong and bold fonts, while Pinterest quotes that are mainly designed by and for feminine audiences are more delicate and Arial. So the secret to find the perfect font is to think it as a voice. Imagine if there were a voice in your head reading this font. How could it be? What type of voice will it be? And this is the tone that you want to target, the tone that you think will make your heart vibrating and will make the heart of your audience vibrating also. Around 60% of people will see your quote on a smartphone. So to avoid losing this amount of traffic, you should better ensure your quotes are readable on small screens. Older is your audience, easier it should be to read, as sites tend to diminish with age. I see too many creators that just take a random quote and copy-paste it. You don't want a random quote. Nobody cares about a random quote. You want the quote. People like quotes because they inspire them. If a quote doesn't inspire anyone, then it's useless. So how to actually recognize an inspiring quote? Well, here's the key. The quote should trigger either emotions, energy, or new ways of thinking. But it should trigger something, not the kind of quote you read and you just move to something else right after. So when you are browsing quotes, looking for the perfect one, well, select the one that makes you stop scrolling and dives you into a wondering moment. You know, this kind of moment where you say, oh yeah, I never thought about this way. Stuff that are inspiring for some people may not be for others. So doing a bit of marketing and some researches about your target will help you figure out what kind of influence your audience needs. What visual styles are they used to? It's important to know that because designing a quote based on your audience increases the chance that they actually feel concerned. Ideally, you want to design your quote in the way they feel your content and brand is made exclusively for them. Yeah, I know it's a lot, but that's the key to success. Check your most successful competitors on Instagram or Pinterest. You can do that using the same keywords or hashtags that are related to your niche, and write down all the similarities between the quotes competitors and try to spot some tendencies and make sure when you're designing your quote are in the same vibe. This way your audience can resonate with them because they are not out of topic, neither visually or in terms of meaning. And finally, keep things simple. This is just a quote after all. Don't put too many stuffs on it because it will increase the cognitive load and make people feel lazy to read it. You know, they are moving really fast. Most of the successful quotes are actually the ones that are the simplest visually, and less elements you put, more attention and care you can put on each one of your elements, and this way you can make them more impactful. And this is exactly what we're gonna see in the next sessions.